Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Wednesday. It's the second day ng Eid holiday. So, we decided na mag-staycation today. Actually, ang balak is magdadagat kami. Kaso,
Excuse Dad for stop.
medyo mahal na ngayon yung booking ng mga hotels or resorts kasi last minute na. And yun nga, meron tayong 6 days na holidays. So, dito lang tayo sa malapit nag-book for our staycation. So, samahan niyo po kami sa aming
Great stop!
awesome adventure here in
Great
Dubai.
stop! Rango!
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa Doubletree Hilton. Waiting na lang for check-in kasi 3 PM pa yung check-in. So, ito yung lobby nila. Ayan. And then, ito kami ni Liam. Meron silang libreng cookies. What can you say about the cookies? Ha? Sarap? Sarap ba, Liam? What can you say about the cookies? Sarap? Yummy ba? Yummy? Oh, hindi halata na masarap ah. Oo. Kanina sabi niya dito sa cookies, matigas daw. Liam, where are you? So guys, ito yung lobby nila. Ayan. And then, I think 12 floors to. Finally, naka-check-in na rin kami. Actually, magsi 6 o'clock na and supposed to be ang check-in time is 3 PM. 'Di ba? Sobrang exaggerated nun, pero it is what it is. Since Eid holidays, ang dami talagang tao and most probably because of the situation nila dito sa sitwasyon dito ngayon sa Middle East, understaffed sila. So, ayun, wag na lang tayong, tinatry ko na pacify yung sarili ko. So, I don't want to get upset. I'm here for a holiday, for a vacation. Sana lang mag-enjoy si Liam. So, quick room tour lang tayo dito sa kanilang standard room. So, pagpasok mo, ito sa right side, merong lalagyan ng luggage dyan, tsaka shoes. And then, dito tayo sa left side, washroom na agad siya. So, ayan, yung washroom nila. Malinis naman. Ito yung old style ng merong pang lalaki, tsaka merong, so dalawa yung parang toilet niya. And then, vanity dental kit. Meron naman vanity kit, shower cup. Yan. And then, meron silang body wash and then lotion. Tapos, ito yung kanilang bathtub with shower na rin. Meron kasamang shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Okay, ganda ng mirror, laki. Tapos, so, paglabas mo ng washroom, ito naman yung kanilang wardrobe. Ayan. Merong safe, tapos drawers, tsaka slippers. Ayan. Tapos, since dito tayo sa Muslim country, meron silang Quran. And then, ito yung ginagamit nila pag magdadasal. On this side naman, ayan yung iron, tsaka meron ding pang plancha. And then dito, may complimentary water, and then coffee, tea. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung kanilang ang kanilang mini fridge, walang laman. Para hindi ka matempt na kumuha kasi babayaran mo din yon. And then, ito na yung kanilang bedroom. Yan, king size. Bali, 2 rooms yung binook namin. Bali, yung isa is kala ate. Yan. So, ang ganda. Tapos, ito yung may TV. And then, working station. Tapos, may sofa. Ay, not sofa. Parang, chair. And then, meron sila ditong balcony. Oh, may maliit. May maliit na balcony dito. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. Ayan yung balcony. Ayan yung view nito. Ayan. O, diba? So, yun. Ayan yung ating room for tonight. So, ayan yung ating quick room tour. As I said, to be honest, medyo nakaka-upset talaga yung long waiting time ng check-in. Supposed to be 3 p.m. yung check-in, pero magsi-6 na. Ngayon pa lang kami nakapag-check-in. Pero, naintindihan rin namin kasi most probably understaffed sila because of the situation here in Middle East. Tapos, ayun nga, since holiday, maraming taong nag-check-in, most probably nila na-anticipate or for whatever reason. And so, sana lang mag-enjoy si Liam, yun lang yung importante kasi, yeah, we're doing this staycation for him. Sana mag-enjoy sa pool, sa pag-swim. Hi guys! So, andito tayo sa isang room. Twin bed siya. Bali, ganun din siya, yung amenity, ay ganun din yung layout ng twin bed. So, si Liam eating hopya. What are you eating? Liam, what are you eating? What are you eating daw?
Tonight we'll sleep. Tomorrow we'll wake up flush.
Tonight we'll sleep. Tomorrow we'll wake up flush. May sipon na. Sinipon na agad. Sinipon na agad ang Liam ko. Nagutom na siya. Kaya magmerienda muna siya ng hopya. And then, kakain kami ng dinner sa labas. We're going to Zamzam. Pero madilim. Madilim. Yan, dyan tayo kakain guys sa Zamzam. Yan, Zamzam. Dito kami sa Majalis. Honey ribs. This is honey ribs. And this is chicken mandi. Kain po tayo.
Yes!
Hi guys. So, ayan. Tapos na kami kumain. Main aftermath. May takeaway pa kami. We're eating dessert with free and lukay mat. And look at Liam. Eating na lukay mat. Sarap?
Yes!
Matigas! Matigas daw. Matigas ba? Hindi naman yan. Good morning guys! Ito yung ating view sa balcony. Ayan. Malapit lang to sa amin. Port Said lang to. Parang malapit lang siya sa Terra City Center. So, ayan yung Rove Hotel. PCC. Novotel. Ayan. Tapos, yun yung papuntang IKEA. Liam, good morning! Good morning, Liam! Good morning. How's your sleep?
500 oh.
How's your sleep? Aga naman nakakalumbaba niyan.
500.
Ang aga. Remove mo yung kalumbaba. Bakit sad ka ba? You don't like the place? Hindi sad. Okay. Rice. What's this? Curry. Pancakes. Do they have omelette as well? What is this? So, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Pero may take-away pa si Liam na bread. So, ayun. Masarap naman yung food. Although, since madaming guests, nagkakaubusan, matagal ang refill. Pero, ayun. Overall, na-enjoy naman namin yung breakfast. And si Liam kasi, gusto niya yung fried rice and hotdog. Masaya na siya doon. And boiled egg. So, yun. Now, magbibihis na kami and then magsuswim kami. Hopefully, may space dun sa swimming pool kasi maliit lang siya. And kapag lahat ng guests is nag-swim, lalo na maraming mga kids, baka hindi ka na makapag-swim. Nandun ka na lang, nakadip ka na lang. Pero we'll see para makapag-swimming si Liam before tayo mag-check out. Liam, say hi. Happy siya, oh. Happy si Liam? Liam, happy? What are you eating?
Breakfast.
Breakfast yan, no? What's that? Bread? That's bread. Breakfast daw.
You eat breakfast?
So, papunta na kami sa pool. So, si Liam, ready to swim? Liam is ready to swim? Ready to swim na si Liam.
Go inside.
Press 11.
Aba.
Swimming pool. Uy, ang galing ah. Ano may swimming pool?
May mga kumakain pa, mga nakuling.
Diyan kami kumain guys sa ground. Yan ang kanilang breakfast area. Sa taas guys yung pool. Ang init. Ang dami nagsaswimming. Dami nagsaswimming. Liam is excited.
Excited!
Okay, go! Go! Galing ah! Okay, go! crocodile! Scared! Alligator! Ay, alligator! Alligator daw! Hindi pala crocodile, alligator pala. Ah, sige, count 1 to 10. 1 9 10. Oh, go! Ooh, galing ah! Good job, Liam. Ang galing. Good job si Liam. Count ka muna, 1 to 10. Relax. Relax ka. 8 9 dito ako. Okay. 9 10. Uy, galing ah. Balik ka agad ah. Oops. Good job. Ready? 1 2. Nagka-count pa siya. Ayan, count pa siya. Tapos ayan, board niya. Then yeah. Habulin niya kasi eh. Uy, malalim na dyan ah. Hi guys! So, nakapag-check out na kami. Welcome! Pag-check out na kami. Kakain muna kami dito sa McDonald's. Before going home. Lunch muna kami. Yung eating McDonald's. Ang dumi naman ito. Ano kinain mo?
Take out talaga na yan. Later daw. Later.
Ay! Ano na yung ulo?
Dino candy.
Dino candy. There's no candy anymore. Ubus na yung candy. Ay, baliktad. Baliktad. Uy. Sarap.
Ano spicy burger?
Spicy ba yan?
This is very spicy. Yeah.
Umog mo yung pickles. Baka maasim.
Oo, pag nakagat na niya. Sige, kahit yung ano, dapat nakabaugan.
Macaron. Sarap.
Dapat kami?
Sarap ng macarons. Sarap na sarap ka sa macarons ha.
Yummy macaron. Tingnan natin kung hindi yan nabibisa.
What color? What? Pink.
White, no?
Sarap yan ah. Say hi.
Hi.
Like.
Share and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.